A very warm good evening, guys. Once again, we are back from the team BioPoint Stream the World of Bio with yet another session that is the very latest news. CBSE board examination dates announced by our Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank.
So guys, this is the date schedule for class 10th secondary school examination for class 10th 2021 CBSE board. So the examination is going to start on 4th May 2021 from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. From last time, that is 2020, and all the examination was from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. But this time it is 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Okay, so the languages are in the first session. Then on 6th May, you are having your English literature, language and literature, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on 6th May 2021, Thursday. On Monday, 10th May 2021, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. you have Hindi. Tuesday, 11th May 2021, you have your local subjects, language subjects. On Wednesday, 12th May, also you have your language subjects. Thursday, 13th May 2021, you have your language subjects. 15th May 2021, you have your science theory examination, which we have been getting prepared for the past 7 or 8 months. Saturday, 15th May 2021. Then you have painting on 17th May 2021. 18th May, you have musical subjects. Then 20th May, Thursday, you have home science. And 21st May, Friday, 2021, you have your mathematics examination, both standard as well as basic. Then on 2nd May, you have language subjects. 22nd May, sorry. 25th May, also you have your subjects, language subjects. 27th May, you have your important subject, social studies, social science from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Then 29th, you have exam on certain subjects. 31st May from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. also you have certain subjects. Then 2nd June, you have Arabic and Sanskrit. 7th June, you have computer application from 10:30 to 12:30 p.m. only. So duration of the paper has been indicated in the date sheet. Duration of each subject is given on the question paper to be followed. Answer books would be distributed to each of the candidates between 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Candidates should write their particulars in the answer book. Particulars shall be checked and signed by the assistant teacher present over there. Question paper would be distributed to each one of you sharp at 10:15 a.m. so that you would have a reading or cool off time from 10:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. 15 minutes. The candidate must read the question paper, and I would tell you about the strategies and the common mistake in an upcoming session itself. Since this is an absolutely fastly recorded one, so I'm not spending your too much time over here. So you would have to start a proper strategy plan to write out the answer, which we will discuss in the upcoming classes. At 10:30 a.m., candidates will start writing their answers, and no inquiries about dates of declaration of results. For more updates, you have to visit the website of CBSE at www.cbse.nic.in. This is
So this is all about the 10th standard date sheet released by the CBSE Council. And now we are moving on with the class 12th date sheet released today by our Honorable Education Minister. This is the class 12 date sheet released today, and the exam starts on 4th May, that is from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. That is the English subject. And 5th May, you have the musical topics. On 6th May 2021, you have knowledge, tradition, and all those things. That is the afternoon shift on the 6th May. On 8th May, the morning shift that you have 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 a.m., 1:30 p.m., the physical education. Monday, 10th May, 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. You have engineering graphics, and Tuesday, 11th May 2021, you have typography and computer applications. 12th May, Wednesday, you have business studies and business administration. Thursday, 13th May, you have physics, the most subject in physics. And 15th May, the morning shift, you have the retail and mass media studies. Saturday, 15th May, the afternoon shift, that is from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. You have the language subjects. On 17th May 2021, you have accountancy. On 18th May 2021, you have chemistry examination. On Wednesday, 19th May 2021, you have political science. On Thursday, 20th May 2021, you have legal studies. Friday, 21st May 2021, afternoon shift, you have language subjects. On 22nd May, Saturday, you have health subject, commercial art, etc. On Monday, 24th May, you have the biology examination. On Tuesday, 25th May, you have economics. On Thursday, 27th May, French. And the afternoon shift, you have the horticulture and musical production subjects. On 28th May 2021, Friday, you have sociology in the morning shift. And Saturday, 29th May 2021, you have informatics. On Monday, 31st May 2021, you have the Hindi language subjects. And Tuesday, 1st June, you have mathematics. And Wednesday, 2nd June, you have geography. On Thursday, 3rd June 2021, you have web application and tourism. On Friday, 4th June 2021, you have the language subjects. On Saturday, 5th June 2021, you have psychology. On Monday, 7th June 2021, you have home science. Tuesday, 8th June 2021, you have national cadet marketing subjects. And Wednesday, 9th June 2021, you have yoga, graphics, and banking, dance-based subjects. And Thursday, 10th June 2021, you have history. And Friday, 11th June 2021, you have the biotechnology and agriculture-based subjects. The class 12 examination will be conducted in two shifts. That is the first shift from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and the second shift from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And the distribution of answer booklet, as you all know, from 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. and from 2 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. Duration of each time for the paper has been indicated in the date sheet. However, the duration for each paper or subject has given on the question paper must be followed meticulously. Candidates would write their particulars on the answer book, as you all know, and they are checked and signed by the assistant superintendent. After distribution of answer books, 15 minutes time will be given for candidates to read the question papers, and the candidates must plan a proper strategy to attend the answers. No inquiries about the date of declaration of result, and for further inquiries, just visit the CBSE official website www.cbse.niz.in. That's all for today.
So guys, you have certain upcoming sessions on the strategies to crack the board from BioPoint Stream the World of Bio in the upcoming classes. So all the best. Start your preparation from today onwards. I have put a voice message in the group regarding the same. So please hear to it and boost up yourself with the preparatory methods.
So wishing you a very all the best, guys. Soon we will be upcoming with the strategies for you to ace the board examination. And that's all for today. It's we signing out from the team of BioPoint. Bye-bye.